if you were to pay close attention, this video might change your life forever. This is my ClickBank account, and this is one of the accounts that I have, and as you can see here, every single week I'm generating an average of $20,000 in commissions in one single account. And guys, this is not a screenshot, right? This is a live account, okay? And here you can see this is one of my accounts generating an average here of about $80,000 per month, right? In 4 weeks, okay? So that's 1 month. Now I'm going to hop on to my other ClickBank account. Over here you can see I'm generating an average of about $3,000 per week in my other ClickBank account, right? And you may ask, why do I have so many ClickBank accounts? Okay, so it's actually for different niches, right? So here I'm generating an average of $3,000 per week, okay? And I have my other ClickBank account where I'm generating an average of about $500 to $1,000 per week, right? So these are all live accounts. Now, here I'm showing you my Warrior Plus account, right? That's my name over there, top right hand corner, and this is live, right? And in Warrior Plus alone, right, I've generated over $22,000 in commissions over the last 30 days, right? And just yesterday I generated about $2,600, today's $700, in the last 7 days about $9,000. All right, and my final platform, it's here. So just yesterday I generated over $756 here in income, right? And just yesterday about $447. So guys, the reason I'm showing this to you is not to impress you, but to impress upon you the possibilities of the internet if you were to execute the right strategy. And guys, in just a minute I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. How am I able to generate over $120,000 in commissions in one single month, despite being in the midst of a pandemic, and doing all this from the comfort of my home. Okay, so I'm just going to dive right in to share with you guys how I generated over $100,000, right, in commission sending simple emails. So in this video, I'm going to review everything that I've been doing over the past few years to build up this business, all right, where I can simply send out emails to generate a full-time income. And in fact, it's it's a 6-figure per month income, all right. And let's just dive right in now. Okay, before I dive right in, I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Sean Josiah, and over the past 12 months, I've generated over $1 million in commissions, and that's in profits, in the comfort of my home. And I've been silently making money without hyping this up too much. And I've been sharing this concept with just a couple of close friends that I have, and I've managed to turn them into 5 figures affiliate, 5 figures per month affiliate. Some of them have even left their job, but that's just a group of close friends that I have. And me myself, just to share a little bit more, I am Les Brown's #1 affiliate. I'm one of the top affiliates for big names like Anik Singhal, and I have won multiple launches and multiple product launches over the past few years. And I've been keeping this formula to myself and just teaching a couple of friends, but right now I feel that I am obliged to pass on this method and to start giving and to start sharing this method to as many people as I can, because this concept has been helping so many people. And my mission right now is to help and touch at least 10,000 homemade entrepreneurs so that they can spend more time with their loved ones, with their friends, and with their family, and so that they can escape from a 9-to-5 job. So just for the record, all these students that I have, they created this business when they all have a 9-to-5 job. And in fact, some of them are still in a job because they simply love working. So it's has given them the option to leave their job, right? But right now, some of them are just doing the things that they love to do and just generating an income and spending more time with their loved ones, right? And also, guys, I'm a ClickBank Platinum member, and that also means I've generated over $500,000 in sales in one single calendar year. And I have also helped a couple of my students hit ClickBank Platinum status as well, right? So guys, if you were to notice, I have shown you guys the different platforms that I have been using to generate this amount of commissions. And you know, I'm not tied to one single platform. I'm not tied to, for example, ClickBank as a single platform or Warrior Plus as a single platform. But if you notice, I've shown you multiple platforms, and the reason I can do that is because I'm not tied to the playing field, or I'm not tied to the algorithm of a single platform, for example, Facebook, Amazon. No, I'm not tied to that, right? Because I simply own my list. My email list is my asset, and I'm going to show you exactly how I build my email list. What are the different ways that I can use my list to generate an income? So it's all going to be done in this presentation, so you definitely want to stay all the way till the end, and I'm going to share with you a special bonus at the end, so you definitely do not want to miss that out. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I generated over $100,000 per month in commission sending simple emails, right? So right now what you're looking at is what I call the list building formula. Okay, so from the left all the way to the right, that is the flow. Now from the left, you know, in order to start any business, you need this thing called traffic, right? So in this case, traffic is basically eyeballs, right? It's basically attention. It's basically it's the blood of a business, right? So you got to run traffic to somewhere. Okay, so in every business, for example, even a brick and mortar business, for example, you take for example McDonald's or Subway, if there's no traffic, if there's no people queuing up to buy stuff from their store, they're gonna go bust, right? So it's the same for an online business. You need this thing called traffic. So what we're gonna do is to run traffic, okay, to what I call a landing page, right? So a landing page is simply a lead capture page where we offer something in return for a person's name and email address. So it's like a bribe. It's like an ethical bribe, right? And in this case, it's a form of a landing page, right, where we can give them like a free video, a free training, a free ebook, you know, whatever it is, right? So that you grab this person's name and email address ethically, right? So it's a permission-based business. Now, once that happens, okay, we're gonna bring them into what I call an autoresponder. Okay, an autoresponder, you know, there are tons of it out there. GetResponse, SendLane, Aweber, whatever it is, right? You gotta make sure you capture these leads into an email autoresponder, and this email autoresponder is where the magic happens. Right now, you get to send to them automated emails, right? So basically, it's like a sales machine running for you 24/7. As long as you have got traffic flowing in there, these automated emails are going to make you the money while you sleep. Now, Warren Buffett has a very famous quote saying that, you know, if you do not make money while you sleep, you are going to work till you die, right? You're going to work till the day you die. Now, so this system is going to help you make money while you sleep, because, you know, people are going to start purchasing stuff while you are sleeping, as long as your sales machine continues to run. Okay, so guys, very simple formula, right? Nothing new, right? So basically, step one, traffic, run it to a landing page, and then get an email autoresponder to send out automated emails for you, and then you make money while you sleep, right? So this is a very simple illustration of the model, but I'm going to share with you the different stages of monetization within the list. Okay, so this is the first stage of monetization, right? So once someone enters your landing page, okay, right, what's going to happen is you're going to have this thing called a one-time offer. Okay, so a one-time offer is basically a product that you place at the back of your landing page for you to monetize on the front end of the product. Okay, so in this case, if you were to join Perpetual Income 365, which is the software that I've created to help ease all these things, right, you're going to have your own money page, right, and you're going to have your own Perpetual Income program with your affiliate link hard-coded to the back of your landing page here. Okay, so when someone were to make a purchase, that's where you make money, right? So that's the first stage of monetization, and this is where, right, this is where you get the first chance of sales, right? So what I'm trying to share with you here is that, you know, we don't just make money when someone makes a purchase on your emails, but we make money along the stages of acquiring a customer. All right, so in this case, you make money on stage one, right? And that's when somebody makes a purchase of your one-time offer the moment they opt into your email list. Okay, so that's your first chance of sales. And at this point in time, about 20 to 30% of your sales are made here. Okay, so the question is, where does the rest of the sales, where are they made, right? So I'm going to move on to stage 2. Now in stage 2, this is where we're going to monetize on the 31-day automated emails on the back end. Now guys, so a lot of people have this misconception that the automated emails at the back end is going to make them a lot of money. Now I have to break that misconception because I've been in this business for years, and I know that the money is made when you send out campaigns and broadcasts on a daily basis, but not so much on the back end. Now I'm going to explain further on that now, but just know that stage 2 of your monetization happens on the back end. Now this is where, right, in Perpetual Income 365, we're going to have 31 days of automated emails that is set up for you. You don't even have to write a single email, and every single link in that email is hard-coded to your affiliate link. So whenever you make a sale, right, within this 31 days of emails, that is going to be sent automatically to your subscribers. Whenever you make that sale, you get paid, right? So we're going to have a done for you backend right here, and that's where the next half of your money is going to be made. All right, so that's about a next portion, not next half, right? About 10% of the sales are made here. Okay, so that's stage 2. Now the remainder of the stage is stage 3, and that's where you're going to monetize, right, on your broadcast, on your campaign. So what's the difference between the broadcast and a broadcast / a campaign versus an automated email is that an automated follow-up series is it runs automatically the moment someone opts in to your list. Now a broadcast is an email that you send off one-off to all of your subscribers. So let's say now you were to log in and you were to send out an email, right, to all your subscribers just for today, and you know that's considered a broadcast email, right? And that's a one-off email. Now in this case, right, when someone would opt in to your landing page, they get added into your email autoresponder, and when someone buys through the daily broadcast that you send to them, right, that is where you make the rest of the money. 60 to 70% here are made of your sales are made here, and that's where you send daily broadcast promotional affiliate offers, right, and then you send them products to your subscribers. Now why do I stress so much on broadcast? It's because broadcasts give you control, right? So you know what products is doing well at this point in time, and you want to hit it while it's hot. You want to strike the nail while it's hot, right? So while it's hot, you want to send out the best promotional offers to your subscribers, and it's usually a very seasonal thing. So in that case, you do not want to clam everything into your automated emails, but you want to make sure you have control, and therefore you send out broadcasts on a daily basis. And that's where, guys, you see my 120,000 per month being made, and it's all completely broadcast, right? I would say, you know, it's broadcast plays about maybe 95% of my money making role in this business. Okay, so this is the broadcast, and stage 3, that's right here, the monetization part is in the broadcast. Now I know that all these things are theory and it sounds a little bit confusing, especially if you're first starting out, right? So the question is, how do I begin? What do I do? You know, where can I get help? You know, am I doing this right? I'm not tech savvy enough, it's too complex. Can I really start this business? Now guys, I know that these questions are legitimate questions, they are real questions, you know, and what I want to tell you is this, right? Whatever that you saw in all these 3 stages, in order for you to build up this entire funnel from the start to the end, it's going to take you a very complex, it's going to be very complex, right? And it's going to take you a lot of time, right? Why do I say that? It's because you know, I did share all these concepts with my couple of students that I have right here, just a small handful of live classes that I conduct, and it takes them 2 days of boot camp to set up everything from the start all the way to the end. And the problem is, even after 2 days, most of my students are still confused, right? And therefore I've decided to create a software that's going to ease all these things, right? Now, let me show you how easy this software is by showing you some proof that that we have got members creating super good income with us in just the first week or just a couple of days into the software. Now guys, this is Perpetual Income 365, and I've got 3.7k members right now. Right, I'm going to look at the success stories. Look at that. We've got almost 300 success stories coming out from this. You know, that's insane. All right, so just look at this. An hour ago, Joshua Elder just posted, right? Perpetual converts like crazy. Thanks for creating an incredible simple system to follow. Look at how much he's making right now. 700 per week, 600 per week, 700 per week, 300 per week, right? I'm going to continue scrolling down. You know, guys have tons of testimonials. Look at this. Completed my 3 days challenge, bought 700 clicks, got 3 sales, 1 upsell. Look, $97 per week generated here. No, per day, sorry, $90 per day, right? Look at Gary. Gary generated $114 per week, right? About $93 here per day, 21 here per day. Look at Mel Manser, right? $164 per day. Look at Michael Pelele, right? Rising Star member, joined Perpetual on the 31st of August, just 4 weeks ago, right? This program has made me $1,000 in sales in 4 weeks. Guys, isn't that amazing? Just look at that, you know, $300 per week here, you know, $295 here. Look at that. These are all daily income, right? Daily income. Look at Stephanie, right? Stephanie made my first ever affiliate commissions. Yay, and that's $235 over here. Look at that. This is Donna. Donna made like $8 per day over here. Guys, and the testimonials just go on and on and on. You know, I can just keep scrolling down, but that's not the point, right? But the point that I'm trying to show you is that this system works, is that we have got tons of success stories coming out of the system because I've made it so simple and so easy that even someone without technical knowledge could execute and could work the system and to make a decent income online for themselves, right? So I'm going to show you what is included in Perpetual Income 365. Now, guys, what if 95% of the work for your list building journey is done for you? Okay, and you know, it's not just done for you, you know, like having the software done for you there, but it comes with trainings. It comes with a proper community, as you have seen on Facebook. It comes with proper bi-weekly trainings from myself, from your coaches. So guys, this is the value that I'm offering right now for Perpetual Income 365. So first of all, we're going to have bi-weekly trainings, and these trainings, guys, these trainings are not going to be cheap, right? But I have brought it down to your Perpetual Income membership. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the back end of this bi-weekly training. So look at that, guys. So every twice a month, I come on and share some really good golden nuggets with you guys, right? And every single training lasts about an hour. That is how much I value my community, and that's how much I want you guys to succeed. So you see, we have got training from scrubbing your list, how to find top 5 affiliate network programs, you know, what are the deadly myths to expel for being a successful marketer. You know, now that you have subscribers, then what, right? You know, emergency training as well for the upgrades that we have. Traffic madness, you know, how do you get top quality traffic, and what do you look out for? What are the matrices that you look out for when you acquire traffic? How to deal with refunds, chargeback, how I generated $100,000 in my list, and the power of building your list. So guys, these are just some of the trainings, right, that I've uploaded here. So the trainings are going to be continuous, right? It's going to be super value packed, and in fact, the value that I'm giving here is nothing compared to what you're going to pay as a member, okay, which I'm going to review to you shortly. So guys, you're going to get bi-weekly trainings in there. You're going to get a community, all right, and there's also coaching involved, and you have seen that community on Facebook, right? We are super active. Almost 300 testimonials coming in of success stories, okay? And what you're going to get is also a fully integrated software. Now you're going to get landing pages that are done for you, right? So there's no need for you to you know, buy expensive landing page software that you got to pay $97 per month. There's no need to even design your landing pages, because everything is designed and tested for you. So these pages are all optimized and they're all tested for you, you know, so you just need to plug and play. Next up, right, your email copies are all written for you. Okay, so if you were to hire someone to write your emails, guess how much they're going to charge you? They get a top quality grade, A-star grade copywriter. It's going to charge you about $50 per email. Think about it. And if I have my email swipes done for you, that's how much value those email swipes are, and these swipes are top converting ones, right? Now you also got a link tracker done for you. If you were to pay other link tracking software, it might go all the way up to $97 per month. In this case, we have it all integrated in software, so you can track your sales, you can track where sales are coming from, how many clicks have you submitted, and all that stuff, right? Next up, we have a content spinner as well. This content spinner basically writes emails for you, so that it looks original, so that you know, there's no saturation in your email copy when you would grab them from the vendor's tools, right? From the vendor affiliate tools. So that is also done for you, okay? And the best part, guys, is we have got 31 days automated CVs that's also done for you. And like I mentioned before, $50 per email. Just imagine how much that's going to cost you, okay, just to write those emails. So we have got the best 31 days emails done for you. It's all going to be automatically integrated into your autoresponder the moment you integrate it into Perpetual Income 365. Now, next up is we have also integrated your ClickBank ID. We have also Digistore, and we are going to put in more platforms into Perpetual Income, and it's all integrated into one. So the moment you integrate your autoresponder and your preferred platform choice, right, everything is going to be in one place. So there is no need for you to you know, log into ClickBank, log into Digistore to find your products, because everything is in the software, right? Now, we have also got traffic training, okay, that's done for you, right? So I'm in there sharing with you guys how to acquire traffic, how to get the best traffic source and all that stuff, right? And how to calculate the best the best cost per lead, you know. So all the math is done for you as well. Now, product sourcing and training, all right? So I'm going to share with you in the program how to find top quality products, how can you solve them, and what are the criteria and requirements that I use in order for me to find these products. Now, guys, if you were to look at all the value, right, the bi-weekly trainings here is $297 per month. Community and coaching is $197 per month. The fully integrated software, if you were to get something from the public, it's going to cost you $97 per month for landing page builder, $997 just to write your emails, a link tracker, $97 per month again, content spinner, $19 per month, and done for you emails again is about $1,005 if you get top quality ones. Integration, if you want someone to do it for you, it's going to cost you probably about $600. Traffic training about $200 here. Product sourcing about $200 here. The total cost to the public, if you were to acquire all these software, you know, even guys, I haven't even put in things like hosting and domain, you know, and all that stuff, because you know, it's also done for you, right? So those are costs as well, which are not in there, because those are more minute costs. Now, the total cost that you're going to pay is probably about $3,500 plus a monthly visit draw of about $700 payment that you got to pay, right? But what we are offering right now in Perpetual Income 365 is simply just a $9 trial for 14 days. So for just $9, you get to enjoy this entire software for 14 days and to test out if this really works for you. And then if you were to keep the system, it's only $47 per month for this entire training plus software plus community. You know, guys, with one single product sale, you're gonna probably make it back, right? So it's a no-brainer. It's the reason why most of our members are seeing huge results. And guys, I'm just going to show you a quick demo of how it looks like in the software. So this is how it looks like in the software. Very comprehensive, right? It's very complete, right? A lot of thoughts have been put into it. So we have got a very simple 7 steps integration process. Now it's under a step-by-step guide. So step 1, you integrate your ClickBank account or Digistore account or whatever platform it is that is on Perpetual. And then you integrate your autoresponder, right? And then you have optional upgrades, right? Like step 3, 4, and 5. These are all optional upgrades for you to, you know, if you really want to supercharge your business, you know, you can always take up these upgrades, but it's optional, right? And there is no need for them to make money with us, right? It's just putting it out there. So 3, 4, 5 are optional. Now, after you integrate both your ClickBank and GetResponse account or your Digistore account or Warrior Plus, whichever it is, then the next one is to go to step number 6, right? Which is to create your money pages, which is your landing pages, and get your links. Simple. And right after that, you watch the mindset training video, okay? Watch those educational videos, get your mindset aligned with us, right? So that you have the right mindset for success. and then you start acquiring traffic. So in this traffic training, there's free traffic methods training and there's paid traffic methods training as well. So it's all up to you, whichever you are comfortable with, right? So guys, all these for just $9, all right, to start for 14 days. And you have seen the success story. It's amazing. We've got over 300 of them, right? And then just $47 per month to keep the system if the system is working for you. Now guys, if you are watching this video right now, you are in for a huge treat, right? Remember I said that was a bonus. Now this bonus is what I call the welcome bonus, or in other words, it's a 3 days challenge for you guys to execute in the business. Now I'm literally going to bribe you for this 3 days challenge. What do I mean, right? So within the 14 days trial with us, what I want to do is to make sure that you succeed. I want to make sure that you make at least 2 sales, right? 2 residual sales, so that your membership is free. So guys, I know that, you know, we all hate paying monthly subscriptions, right? But what if you could have your monthly subscription for free, right, in just 3 days of running your business? Would that take away this pain of yours, right? 100%, isn't it? Now, so what's going to happen in this 3 days challenge is this. Upon signing up, just a $9 entry fee, all right, you are going to be put in a 14 days trial. Within this 40 days trial, if you were to execute, right, if you were to execute your business, that means if you were to create, if you were to integrate your software, if you were to create your pages, and if you were to run traffic, okay, what I'm going to do is to match your traffic 1 for 1. Okay, guys, this is huge because I'm literally using my own money out of my pocket to send you traffic 1 for 1. So within this 3 days challenge, right, if you were to acquire traffic, right, from various sources, and if you were to show me how much traffic you have acquired, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my own list. Like you guys have seen, my list generated me about $120,000 per month. I'm going to use that list. There's tons of buyers out there, super good quality list, and I'm going to send traffic your way, right, 1 for 1. So if you run 1,000 clicks out there, you come back to me and say, I've ran 1,000 clicks. I'm going to say, great, I'm going to match it 1 for 1. I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks to your link. And guys, that's a huge deal. In fact, I'm losing money, but it's perfectly fine, because what I want is for you to aim for your first 2 sales, which most of the time you would, right? After matching your clicks, you would. So most of the members, what they do is to really capitalize huge on this this bribe or this bonus that I have for them, and they make tons and tons of sales. Like you have seen, guys, some people are making $200 per day, $300 per day, and it's pretty consistent, right? Now, next is to get your business running in 3 days. So in 3 days, literally, you could get your business up and running. And this is a challenge that I'm posting out to you, okay? And after the challenge, guess what? I'm going to throw in another bonus, all right? And that's to get 1 free upgrade of your choice. 1 upgrade of your choice. So guys, if you were to look at all the upgrades, they cost at least $100 per upgrade. You're going to get 1 free upgrade of your choice, okay? And you know, so that's again going to cost me money, but that's fine. So that is my promise to you, right? If you were to honor taking action, because I reward action takers, okay? Now, basically, you're going to double your subscriber with no extra work. That's it. Very simple, okay? So you're going to double your subscribers because I am going to match your traffic. And guys, my traffic is top quality traffic, as you know. So with this extra bonus, right, with you just basically taking action within your 14 days trial, you know, the chances are very likely you're going to get a membership for free, right? Because you're going to be making residual perpetual sales. And guys, for the record, we are all making perpetual residual sales, right, when we are in Perpetual Income 365, right? We are not just making one-off sales, but we aim to make a residual monthly income month after month, right? So whatever that you saw in the testimonial page, those are actually residual income that's going to come in month after month, right? So guys, once this challenge is complete, right, it's completed, you're going to get 1 free upgrade as well. And basically you just put in just put in an effort of work and you get 2 times the return. That's it, and that's my promise to you guys. So guys, if you are keen to join the Perpetual Income family, there's going to be a link or a button within this page, around this page, okay? And I would like you to just click on that, right? Put in your details, okay, and join us, right? Because at the end of the day, guys, this I've made this thing so simple, right? And my personal mission is to help 10,000 people break free from the 9 to 5, spend time with their family, and therefore I've made it so seamless. I've made it so easy for anyone to join. And if guys, you are with me on my vision, if you think that this is going to be helpful for you, just like the other 3,000 members did, then guys, do not waste any more time, right? Because I'm not going to put this welcome bonus up forever, because I'm losing money every single time. So clinch this bribe, clinch this bonus, all right? There's a button anywhere within this page. Click on it, put in all your details, join the family, and I'll see you guys in the members area. Bye for now. Alright guys, I want to shoot a quick demo video of what Perpetual Income 365 is all about, right? And to show you guys the insights of the software. So first of all, when you first log into Perpetual Income as a member, you'll be greeted with the welcome page. So this is where I explain what the software does and all that stuff, right, to members. And here members get a chance to join the Facebook community where we do our live training in there. And also they get to better understand how we incorporate the MCCA Netflix algorithm into the software, right? So this is the welcome page. We have announcement tab as well, right? And we also have an onboarding tab where we allow members to basically claim some bonuses, and we sort of like handhold members along the way throughout the entire process of building up their funnel and their list, right? So this is the welcome tab that you're looking at. Next, we move on to the step-by-step guide. So in the step-by-step guide, there are in total of 7 steps, right, before someone can get started. But do note that some of the steps, right, are optional because they are upsells, right? So not all of them are needed for you to get started. So for example, Step 3, Step 4, and Step 5, they are upsells, so they are optional. They are definitely going to help members make more money, but it's not necessary for them to make money. Okay, so Step 1 is to integrate their account. So here you can, it can be either ClickBank. Right now we have Digistore 24 as well. We have Warrior Plus as well. So that's Step 1. Step 2 is to integrate your GetResponse account, right? And Step 3 is to activate one of the upgrades if they want to, right? The Perpetual Assets Multiplier, right? I'm going to go into that later in detail. Step 4 is to activate Email ATM. It's another upgrade. Step 5 is another upgrade, 5 clicks profit activator. And Step 6 is to create the landing pages, the money page, and grab the links. Step 7 is to watch the mindset training videos that we have for them, for all members, to make sure that everyone has a mind of steel, right, before they go out there to get traffic, which is the final step. So everything is step by step. If one of them is not completed, they will not be able to move on to the next step unless it's an optional step, right? So it's very simple to follow. Now let's have a look at, say, integration. So you see in integrations, we have integrate with ClickBank, Digistore, or Warrior Plus. So a member can choose whichever platform they want to use to run this business, right? Whichever affiliate marketing platform, and they can get a chance. Of course, I mean they have to integrate an autoresponder, and in this case, we support GetResponse. Okay. Next is the money pages. So let me just go into the creation of a single money page. Here we are in the money page, right? So here, the top left hand corner, this video explains basically what a money page is, and this video at the bottom shows them how to create the money page, right? And we have an upgrade here as well, which is the Perpetual Asset Multiplier. So someone, I mean, if a member watched this video and they're interested, they can always upgrade it in here. So what this does is it allows members to have more money pages. A default member have 2 money pages that they can choose from. Out of how many do we have? 12 money page, right? So 2 out of 12. If they upgrade to this upgrade, they're going to get more. They're going to get unlimited money pages, and they get a chance to edit their money page, just like other landing page builder. They can actually edit their money page. Okay, so here you can see all the money pages are here. Members will be able to know how many visitors have, how many people have visited their money pages. It's all trackable. How many subscribers have opted in, how many opens are there, how many clicks are there, right? So here you can see, for example, this is one of the money pages here. So in this money page, right, it is all auto generated for them. The templates are all done for them. So in the advanced option, they can choose to mask the link, they can choose to add a pixel, they can edit the page, or they can add a ClickBank tracking ID. So here, the moment someone creates a money page, we add 31 days of email autoresponder emails right into their list. So it's all pre-written, it's done, there's nothing else that's needed. Okay, the money page link is here. This is where they can run ads to, right? Page subscribers, how many subscribers are registered to this page, how many visits. So here they can members can determine what's the opt-in rate, right? And then how many autoresponder emails have been sent out from this money page based on how many members are there or how many subscribers are there in their list, right? So you see there's so many templates here. Very simply, member just clicks on this, they can get to select any one of the money pages that we have, right? So let's say we can just preview this page. So you see it's beautifully created for them. Everything's integrated here. This is integrated to their link, to their GetResponse account. And once they create the page, boom, 31 days of automated emails are up with their affiliate link as well. So that's the beauty of this software. There's no need for page creation, all done for you. Right, next we move on to one of the upgrades, which is called the 5 clicks profit activator. Okay, so in the 5 clicks profit activator, this is where members get a chance to enable any of these 6 plugins that we have for them. The main purpose of this plugin is to increase the opt-in rates on their landing pages. Okay, so for example, here you see that on the bottom right hand corner, there's this positions available. That's actually spots available here. So they can turn this on, and this pop-up, right, is going to be on their landing page. Okay, and they have different elements like rocking button animation. If you turn this on, the opt-in box is going to start shaking. If they turn display visitor country flag on, we're going to display the country where they belong to. If we have this evergreen date display banner as well, a Proofly social bar banner as well. So when you turn it on, there is going to be a small little pop-up on the bottom left saying that someone else has already opted in or purchased a product. So all in all, this tool allows a member to increase the opt-in rate. So this is a pretty cool feature. We also have Traffic Crusher, right, where I share where I get my traffic from, right? So there you go, that's the Traffic Crusher in there. So I explained to them how to make $2,000 with this software. Okay, and we have the other upgrade called the Email ATM. So this upgrade allows members to send out emails without writing a single email. Okay, so this is how it works. Basically, you just pick a product, you choose a swipe, and you send. Right, so here you can enter the Email ATM. It's a very cool feature. Members do not need to log in to GetResponse at all. So step 1 is to choose a product. So we have integrated the top 10 products right now from ClickBank and Digistore24. We're going to add more into this list. So they can basically select a product. It's all integrated with their affiliate ID because they have integrated everything at the start. Step 2 is to pick a swipe. We have 400 different swipes in there for them to select. And step 3 is to send. That's it, dead simple, right? And that's how they can monetize on their emails. Now, if someone is not an upgrader of Email ATM and they still want to send out emails, it can be done through the email broadcasting tool over here. So email broadcasting tool basically is a simplified version of sending out a broadcast or a campaign through GetResponse. So it can be done in here, right? So they can simply select whatever list that they want to pick that they have built with us, and they can send a newsletter to that list, right? What they can do as well is to use Content Fountain, where they can spin out original content from existing email swipes. And they can also use Spam Box Filter. This acts a little bit like Bitly or ClickMagick. where we filter out or we mask the links of their affiliate links so that it doesn't go into the spam box, right? So just look at this. Every single email, once it's sent, it is trackable here. When is it created? When is it sent? How many emails are sent in total? What are they? So let's say, for example, I want to send a newsletter through the Money Page broadcast. I simply select the list that I want to send my newsletter to, and I can go in there and type whatever email it is, insert a link, and I can send it out, right? So let's take a look. So you see here, I can insert a subject line, I can insert content, all right, and I can even hyperlink this and insert the affiliate link. So once someone masks their link, they can put the link in here and they can just simply click send newsletter and it will be sent from the software to their subscribers. They don't even need to log in to get a response. Okay, so we have tons of success stories as well. It's all in there, and we have some amazing bonuses. We also have some more upgrades called the income streams, where they get, members get access to a couple of really good ebooks. We have got mindset training here. We have got a bi-weekly live training. So let me just hit in there. So for every member, all right, we have bi-weekly training. So this was the last one that I did, which was just like last week. So I go in there, I go into the members area, I go to Facebook, I go live for an hour at least, right? And I go through with members really solid content, right? For example, 7 rules to live by to get rich, how to live, 7 rules for an affiliate marketer, how to write emails that converts, part 2. We even have part 1 here, 7 reasons people fail, how to scrub your list, how to polish it for healthy open rates, what are the top 5 networks for beginners, deadly myth to expel, I have subscribers now, and what is next. I have like how to find the best solo ads, how do you track your cost per lead, so all these things, all these trainings are super valuable. I spend time and I invest in it to really come out with slides, to really come out with training that helps the members. So if you look at our Facebook group, it's insane. We have over 400 testimonials. We have over 4,000 members right now. And it's just growing because this system works. We really help people make money online. And we have leaderboards. And in the leaderboards, you can see our members' success. You can see who are the top members that we have on a monthly basis. And we're going to add on more features to the leaderboard. So we can see how many sales our members have generated in total. It's all going to be in here. So guys, this is an amazing platform. Everything's done for you in here. It's a plug and play affiliate marketing software where I've invested a lot of money to build, and a lot of time, a lot of investment. So you can be confident to promote this to your members, to your affiliates. It's 100% easy to use, and we have seen tons and tons of success stories from this, right? So this is my baby. I created it, and I'm going to go all in to make sure that every member makes money online, right? If they are there, if they're open for us to help them, we are going to help them. We have a team, we have coaches, so it's all good. It's all done for you. If there's any questions, guys, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be ready to answer them. That's all for the demo video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, it's Sean Josiah here, and today in this video I just want to share with you how the Netflix MCCA model comes into play when it comes to Perpetual Income 365. As we all know, this model is actually taken upon the science of Netflix, of how Netflix actually makes their monthly income. So what we did was to break down their business model and to implement it into this affiliate system. Okay, so right now I'm just going to dive straight into how the MCCA model works with us. All right. So first and foremost, what is MCCA? Right. So MCCA stands for Micro Commitment Consistency Compounding Algorithm. Okay. So after diving in to study the business model of Netflix, we realized that yes, it came down to 3 of these big elements. Number 1 is micro commitment. Number 2 is consistency, and number 3 is compounding. Okay, so what are they? We're going to go into them later in the slides. All right, so before I go into how these 3 elements come into play, I just want to go through with you again how perpetual income basically works as an overview. All right, so here's an overview of Perpetual Income 365. First of all, understand that the autoresponder has already been integrated. So the moment you sign up, after watching the welcome video, after watching this video, the next step is to register for autoresponder. In this case, is get response, and you integrate that autoresponder into the system. Okay, so that's number 1. Next is to integrate ClickBank. Okay, so ClickBank is also automatically integrated the moment you get your ClickBank ID and put it into the system. Now, what happens is this, everything is built in one, and your very next step is basically to select one of the 7 if you are upgraded, or one of the 2 landing pages that are already created for you. And the landing page, we call them the money pages. Okay, so instead of buying the entire 3 different parts of internet marketing, the autoresponder, having ClickBank work separately, and also having your own website builder, which costs a lot of money, we have integrated all in one, right? So you can basically select a pre-designed landing page, and once you have selected that, all you got to do is to activate that page, and that page will automatically be installed together with your email autoresponder and ClickBank. Okay, so everything is done for you right here. Okay, now what happens next is, after you send traffic to the money page, okay, you are going to get subscribers, all right, and you're going to start making sales. So the moment you get subscribers into your system, there's going to be a 31-day inbuilt email follow-up series that's going to continue to sell to your subscribers for the next 31 days. All right, and all your affiliate link that is tagged to your ClickBank account is going to be inbuilt into the 31 days email autoresponder. And this affiliate link is going to be promoting Perpetual Income 365 as well. Now, for the commission structure, every single sale you'll get 50% off the sale. Okay, if you want to know more details about how you can make a consistent full-time income with this, just go on to the training under Traffic Crusher and see how you can make your first 2K with this system. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is what Perpetual Income 365 do for you as a basic member. Okay, as a basic member, which is actually good enough to make a full-time income. Of course, if you want more income, you have to upgrade to the other upgrades, which will increase your profits exponentially. But for now, let's leave it as the basic member first. Okay, so micro commitment, if you still do not know what it is, it means that someone actually commits into a system or a program at a small cost, right? This is what we modeled after Netflix. Okay, because Netflix, in order to enter into the Netflix platform, all you have to pay is maybe $10 per month per user. That is actually a small amount of commitment, right, for someone. Okay, so in this case, we have modeled after that. So the small $9 entry fee is all it takes to enter this powerful perpetual income program. Okay, and what's powerful for this is that it's rebuilt at a small $47 per month, right? So instead of owning website builders and all those stuff for $97 per month, right, this is rebuilt at just $47 per month, and it's actually very manageable. It's actually a small commitment, okay, of which every single sale that you make, okay, you get 50% per sale. So all you need is actually 2 sales for you to get your membership for free, right? Now, in this case, this is what we consider micro commitment. So someone enters for $9 and then it's rebuilt at $47. After $47, again, you make 50% of the commission. And once it's free, basically there's no more commitment, right? There's no more micros. There's no commitment at all, right? It's just letting the membership site run on its own, okay? So this is what we define as micro commitment within the system. Now, next we talk about consistency, the next C. Okay, so what is consistency? Consistency in this case is basically making people stick to the system for as long as possible. Okay, so what we have is to provide ongoing Facebook updates, ongoing Facebook trainings, and also the system is easy to set up, So it's very easy for a customer to stick with us for a long time. And also $47 per month is less than a cup of Starbucks coffee a day. Alright, so that's actually very manageable. Okay, and with this $47 per month, if you can generate a full-time income with it, alright, wouldn't it be easy for it to be consistent with the program? Wouldn't it be easy for someone to stick to the program? It will be. Okay, so this is the second C. And we of course took it from Netflix, because Netflix is always updating new shows, new movies into the platform. And so for us, it's the same thing. Is we are constantly giving and providing constant updates in the Facebook group. Okay, and of course we are providing a done for you service. Netflix don't, and so therefore $47 per month is the charge of it, but it's very, very low as compared to anything else out there. Okay. Now the last element is compounding. Okay, so MCCA. Okay, micro commitment, consistency, compounding, algorithm. Okay, the next one is compounding. Now for Netflix, if you were to take a look at the business model, all they do is to get members in and they just compound the profits. As more members join, the more profits they make. Okay, now in this case, this is what we want for you as well. Each sale that you make, you are going to make $23.50 per month. Okay, so if you want to compound it even more, all you got to do is to reinvest that profits to get traffic, to get more sales. So at the front end, you know, maybe you're going to lose a little bit of money, all right, because it's going to be in the negative. But in the long run, as things continue to flow, the compounding effect is going to kick in, and that is where your $23.50 multiplied by how many number of sales you can bring in is going to be your perpetual monthly income. Alright, so the more sales that you make, the more this compounds month after month, and that is of course what we want for you. Okay, so in a nutshell, that's how we integrate the MCCA algorithm into the platform, into the software, and to make it easy for everyone to understand and to be a happy member with us in Perpetual Income 365. Okay, if there's any questions, do let me know. Once again, it's Sean Josiah signing off.